Let me see. Got enough. Alright, so I'm going home. The weather looks kind of bad, but it's not, it's weird. You know, there's a little bit of an overcast, but I don't think the overcast is over Markham Park. So guess what? This guy here is gonna go bike riding today. I look a little light, don't I? It's a tad overexposed. Let's see. There, and then there. Okay. Normal looking. Alright, so I'm gonna head to Markham Park and ride the trail. Oh, it looks a little darker now. Grrr. Not lighter. Yay! The right lighting in the car. So anyway, I'm on my way to Markham Park. I'm gonna try to ride my bike. I have not ridden my bike, for those of you who know, in about 4 weeks. You know what that's like? I ride my bike at least 2 to 3 times a week. I have not ridden at all within 4 weeks. But the weather that way looks really nice. Just take a look. Just take a look, see? Okay? See? That looks kind of clear. Over there, not so clear. Over there, where I'm going, very clear. Not clear? Clear. Okay? So we're going to be heading that way, and hopefully those clouds aren't going in my way. But we'll see. We shall see. Alright, so before I go bike riding, stop by the bike store, do a quick check, and then I am off. What's up? The whoa was because I've been on hiatus. How's it going? Good. Alright, good thing I went in there. Do some of this recall on my bike. Not a recall, just an upgrade. Cannondale is actually taking the Scalper, which is what I have. I have a carbon bike. They are taking a component out of it that makes it almost unserviceable. Well, let me not say unserviceable. It's serviceable. It just means you don't ever have to service it again with this new component. So I'm gonna bring it in. I just gotta find a day that I'm not riding, because now that I'm back to riding, I'm gonna be riding. So my YouTube channel is literally like a journal, and I'll explain why. I was trying to figure out when the last time I was riding my mountain bike. So I said, you know what, why don't I just look back on the videos? Because I've always posted up everything I do, so this has to show a date my last ride. My last ride was when I made the Pokemon video. Man, that's over 5 weeks ago. Holy crap. I've really been missing out on my bike. Well, that ends today. Time to go to the drone footage. I'm so excited to be going to the gym. What the? Oh! Son of a. Well, this sucks. The park is closed. Oh, damn it! I got so excited for nothing. Oh, this is horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I'm here with one said child, this child right here, who is going to be having her waffle. That's enough whipped cream. No. Yes, it is. Child, my dear beautiful child, that is enough whipped cream. Look at all that whipped cream on just one waffle. Hey, that's enough. That's enough.
No.
You had enough whipped cream? Crazy child. My beautiful daughter is a crazy child. Too much whipped cream. I know what her problem is. She loves whipped cream. I'm gonna eat that one there. Can I eat that one?
No.
Why not? Alright, good. What? Eat away, child. Is it good? Yeah? Really good. I'm glad you love your whipped cream. Let me see. Got enough.